First go to the Google and search Google Gemini. One click and go to the website. And create account on a Gemini. And click left side plus icon. And add you want to edit image. And copy my prompt in description. Check description and copy prompt and paste it to the Gemini. And you see result, okay, today job done, are you happy? And subscribe and like video, bye.